Hi there, I'm a 3D character brought to life with animation. Look at me, I can talk, I can move, and I can even express emotions. Cool, right? But here's the best part.
The first step we are going to take in creating our talking avatar that can move and make gestures is to create our avatar. Now I'll come over to ChatGPT. I'll come here and type in my prompt to generate my avatar. Okay, I will go with this. The two hands are on the table. I'm going to download this image. I'll go over to Google and type in free image to PNG converter. I want to change that image to a PNG image. So I'll click on this first one, free convert. So I'll click on choose files. Here is my image. I'll click on it. Then I'm going to click convert. So I'm going to download my image. So we are going over to the next step, which is to generate our prompt, our gesture working prompt from ChatGPT. Let's go back to ChatGPT. I'll come over to ChatGPT to generate our movement prompt. I told ChatGPT, generate a prompt for me. A prompt where she is happily talking and making hand gestures. Another one is when she stands up and walks around the room. Another prompt is when she goes back to sit. When she goes back to her seat. So here is the prompt. I'm going to generate our video script. So I told ChatGPT, write a video script for me where she talks about how she can talk, move, and how she can teach you to be able to do that in simple steps. So here is my video script. So the next step, which is the third step, is to generate our talking avatar that can move and walk freely. So to do that, I'll be using this AI, Klingai. Go over to Google and type in Klingai AI. So this is it. I'll click on it. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. If you want to sign in with your email, you can do that. I'll successfully sign in. So I'll go over to this AI videos, click on it. Then since we have our avatar, I'm going to click select. I'll choose my avatar. Once you are done uploading your image, I'll come over to this prompt. You can see this prompt box. I'm going to paste in my prompts. She looks happy and engaged as she talks, making expressive hand gestures while looking at the camera. Remember that ChatGPT helped us to generate this prompt. So I'll go over to this setting. I'll leave it at creativity and I'm going to change the duration from 5 seconds to 10 seconds, and which is going to take us more credits. If you have any negative prompt, you can add it here. It's optional, like low quality, you don't want it abstract or distortion, you just add it here. So I'm going to click on generate. Here is my video. You can see the hands movement, the eyes and everything. So I'm going to go ahead to download this video. I'll go over to this download with watermark. I'm downloading it with watermark. Or I'll come over here and press this video like this and download it. So we'll go ahead and generate the second one where she moves around. So I'll click back. So I'll come over to this prompt box and I'll type in. So I'll type in she stands up and walk around the room. So I'm just going to make this duration 5 seconds and I'll click on generate. So this is our video. We are going to generate the third part where she comes back to her seat. So before we can generate that third part, we need to break this video into frames. I need to get this frame where she is standing up so that she'll be able to walk back to her seat without any distortion. So to do that, I will go over to my Capcut. I'll come over to new project. I'll upload this video here. So this is the part I want. So I'm going to split this image, delete this part. I'm going to delete this part. I will download this. Okay, this is it. I'll screenshot it and I'm going to edit it. Let me crop it out. I'll come back to my Klingai. Then this starts, I'm going to upload that image that I screenshotted from Capcut, the last frame. I've uploaded the image, so I'm going to delete this end frame. I want it to be where she's sitting down. This is my image here. This is the start, this is the end. So I'll come over to this prompt. I'll rewrite it. I just finished writing my prompt. I said that she turns around, walk back to her seat, and continue talking with hand gesture. So I'm going to generate it. I'll click generate. We are done generating our videos. I'll come back to Klingai and I'll go over to lip sync. And I'll upload my video here. Okay, here you can see our video has been uploaded. So I will go over to this text to speech. This text box, I will paste in my text. So over these voices, you can choose any voice. I'll go over to female. I want a female voice. So I'll be choosing this commercial lady for my voice and I'll leave the speech rate at 1.1x. So I'll come down. I'll leave the speech rate at 1.1x. So I'll go down to this generate and I'll click on generate. Our video is now in queue. It is now generating. We'll give it a little bit time for it to generate. And here is our video.
I'm a 3D character brought to life with animation. Look at me, I can talk, I can move, and I can even express emotions. Cool, right? But here's the best part.
So you can use this method for the other video, and to download it, you click on this download button to download your video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.